we talk about the hybrid model strategies, so advanced agent systems, they rarely rely on one model. Rather, they use hybrid strategies. So advanced agent systems, they make use of hybrid strategies. So let us discuss those hybrid strategies. So the first strategy is the strategy one, tiered routing. So tiered routing, what it is now whatever incoming request we get, for simple request, we will make use of small model. Like incoming request we are getting, if the request is simple in nature, we will use small models. So small models will handle the simple request. So that is a tiered routing. And for complex cases, we can consider the large model. We can send it to the large model. So large model will handle the complex cases. So here what is happening is that instead of using single model, we are using two models, small model and large model, and incoming request, we are routing it. So that is called as tiered routing. Now the advantage of this approach is that it reduces the cost while preserving the capability. So this is something very interesting. Here, we are not compromising the capability, because see, no point that for simple request, we should use large models. For simple request, which we can consider small models. No need for us to consider the large models. So reduces cost while preserving capability. Wherein for simple request, we will send it to the small model, and for complex cases, we will send it to the large model. Now let us look at the strategy 2, hybrid model strategy, strategy 2, that is the planner plus executor split. So here what happens is that the large model, it is responsible for generating the plan. So large model, it generates the plan. Large model generates the plan, and smaller model, it will execute the repetitive tool calls. Smaller model will execute the repetitive tool calls. So this balances reasoning depth and efficiency. So for planning, definitely we are making use of the large model, so that very good quality of plan we generated. And for execution, we are making use of smaller model, and hence uh, we are maintaining a balance between the reasoning depth and the efficiency. Now the third strategy, is the specialist models. So here what we are doing is that for different tasks, we will be using specialized models. For example, vision model for image parsing, language model for reasoning, embedding model for retrieval, and domain model for compliance check. So for different tasks, we are using a specialized model, a different specialized model. So what advantage we are getting is that each model plays a specific role. So here we are following a modular approach, which is increasing the flexibility. So the strategy 3, we are discussing the hybrid model strategy. So the strategy 3 is the specialist models, wherein we can make use of specialized models for some specialized tasks, like vision model for image parsing, language model for reasoning, embedding model for retrieval, domain model for compliance checks. So each model plays a specific role. This modular approach increases the flexibility.